So now we're going to get into the general business and administrative costs of operating this business. These are just estimates, so if in the comments, if I'm forgetting something, please leave something below. General business expenses. Right, so I guess we could just do this annually, and we'll call it business expenses and accounting. Probably it's gonna be this. Usually it's 12 times 300, 3,600. That's gonna get you a corporate, some sort of a corporate tax return. And what else could there be? Taxes. We don't know taxes. Tax is a question mark. Employee wages. We have machine depreciation. What else? What other? You could do maybe like office, phone, internet, electric. Well, maybe we could put that like around $6,000. Maybe we're renting a small space, got a little phone there, a little bit here and there. I mean, it's not free, right? You can't just leave it out of the equation. What else? That's kind of all I can think about right now for general business expenses. Maybe maybe new customer acquisition, because even if we have a set amount of a whole book of business already, we've got to replace customers that might come in, come out. We'll call it 1,500 annually. If you can think of any other ones, leave it in the description below, and I'll update the description, or leave it in the comments below, and I'll update these. So I think that's a good place to start out. All right, guys. So hit the like button. Next, we're gonna create some ER diagrams. Thanks for watching.